Your business credit score is crucial for securing loans, better interest rates, and even landing big contracts. But how do you improve it? In this video, we'll break down 5 proven strategies to boost your business credit score fast. Let's dive in. 1. Pay your bills on time, or early. The first rule of building strong business credit? Pay your bills on time, or better yet, early. Payment history makes up a huge part of your credit score. Late payments can drag your score down, so set reminders or automate payments to stay on track. 2. Establish trade lines with vendors and suppliers. Many vendors and suppliers report payments to business credit bureaus. By setting up trade lines, where you buy now and pay later, you can build credit as you pay on time. Start with net 30 accounts from companies like Uline, Quill, or Granger. 3. Keep credit utilization low. Just like personal credit, using too much of your available credit hurts your score. Experts recommend keeping your credit utilization below 30%. If you have a $10,000 limit, try not to carry a balance over $10,000 limit, try to carry a balance over $3,000. 4. Monitor and dispute errors on your credit report. Mistakes happen. Regularly check your business credit reports from Dun & Bradstreet, Experian, and Equifax. If you spot errors, like incorrect late payments, dispute them immediately to protect your score. 5. Apply for a business credit card or small loan. Having a mix of credit types can boost your score. A business credit card or small loan, paid on time, shows lenders you're trustworthy. Start with secured cards if needed, then graduate to higher limit cards as your score improves. To recap, pay bills early, establish trade lines, keep credit utilization low, monitor your reports, and use credit wisely. Stick to these steps, and you'll see your business credit score rise, opening doors to better financing and growth. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more business tips. See you in the next video.